I start with a blocking sort of framework. I'm going for a foot that's shifted a bit to the side so that the toes will be seen as well as the heel, but there will be foreshortening in it. Once blocking is finished in, I add the details, such as the toes and the ankle, and I fix any areas that seem off, such as my pinky toe and heel. After I fix those areas up, I ink it all in with my Fineliners. And of course, I have a full list of frequently used supplies in the description. I also recommend taking the time to look at real-life feet, like your own or even photos of feet in different poses, and just try drawing them. Don't worry if it looks bad in the end. Practice always helps, and the more we do something, the better we get. Now I'm using my alcohol marker to color in the foot and add shading. So if this tutorial helped you out, then hit the like button. And if there's something you're wanting to see a tutorial for, then go ahead and leave a comment. And your suggestion may end up on a future poll to be voted on.